Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we got a short little clip. It's just going to go over the original OEM spare tire carrier that I found at the junkyard in my last video. So I got it all cleaned up. We're just going to go over installation and getting the tire mounted. Alrighty guys, so here's a closer look at the original spare tire carrier. The one right above it is the one I had made before. It's in one of my previous videos, so if anyone wants to take a closer look at that, if maybe you don't have access to something like this, this one worked really well for the time that I used it, so go back and revisit that video. But going over this one, it mounts up in 2 points. This is the set part of it, and then this bolt is set to the frame, but it's actually able to come through this hole right there. So I'll show you what that looks like under the frame. Alrighty, so taking a look up under the truck at the carrier mounted, you can tell the fixed bolt is up in that position there. And up on the right side, we have the bolt that disengages the tire carrier and brings the spare down. The spare tire carrier bolt does use one of the mounting points for the hitch. I don't believe that should be a problem. It is rated for 16,000 pounds, and I'll probably never tow anything close to that, but just a closer look at. Alrighty guys, so I got the original spare tire carrier up there with the spare. The rim is a 16-inch, the tires are 245 by 75. I believe it's a little bit wider than anything this truck would have had back in the 70s. I do also have this extra 16.5 steel original Ford rim that I'm going to get powder coated white and use that as my spare. So this one is going to be coming down eventually. I do also want to get the carrier powder coated, so I'll probably do that here in the near future.